Welcome to an introduction to Linux. My name is Rahul Jamgade. I worked into IT industry and played multiple roles at different capacities into the area of IT systems. I also write blogs and articles on IT security. I have done certifications like MCP, CCNA, RSC and CISSP in the past and also received couple of awards during my tenure into the IT industry. Now I am primarily into training. I guess this information is sufficient about me. Let's jump in. The topics that we will cover over here includes introduction to Linux. Here we will talk about what is Linux, what are the other similar operating systems, its tool base, its portability and the language in which it is written. The next topic is who and why Linux. It talks about the various devices and technologies that uses Linux and also about the top companies worldwide that uses Linux as an operating system. Also, we will discuss about why one should use Linux in the first place and advantages of implementing it. Followed by next topic, that is Linux features and distributions. This lesson discusses about the different features and functionalities that is supported by Linux. Also, we will discuss various distributions of Linux along with their properties and characteristics. Next topic is about Linux versus Windows. Here we will compare Linux operating system against Microsoft operating system from various aspects such as the cost, the developmental model, licensing, customization, security, usability, etc. Next topic is about Linux software and licenses. This lesson discusses about the advantages and features of being open source, the GNU public license and also numerous applications that is readily available for download, installation and usage. The Linux kernel. Here we will discuss about the Linux kernel, its various versions, its maintenance and the kernel releases. We will see the naming conventions that are used to identify versions, revisions and patch levels. And we'll also discuss about the organization that is responsible for the Linux kernel. Linux graphics. Here we will discuss about the graphical components of Linux that includes display server, Windows Manager and desktop environment. We'll also discuss about their features and the default apps that are supported by them. Linux hardware support. Last but not the least, it's about various hardware that is supported by Linux operating system that includes CPU, architecture, video cards, NIC cards, etc. And of course, not to forget, we will also cover the file system supported by Linux operating system. The second is SoC port, also known as system on chip.